the go-to place for all your creative needs. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you as we delve into the world of hand tools in Photoshop. So, before we dive into details, let's take a quick look at the hand tools. We will cover this in this tutorial. So, in this tutorial, this project or Photoshop project, along with to navigate, select and multiple elements, you can canvas, and I'll show you one by one, and you can find this one with your toolbox on the left side. Okay. Now let's start with the move tools, and the move tools is go to for respond or repositioning layers and elements, and you can use by selecting this one, and you can get the repositions. Okay, and the next one we will use the Mark UI tools and learn how to make accurate selections with this rectangular ellipsis. And from here you can use the single row Mark UI tool and single column Mark UI tools. Okay, so let me start with the rectangle Mark UI tool, and now you can see has come up with the selection this way. And also let's move into the laser tools and master the free form polygons and also the magnetic Mercury tools. So this will help you to select something in your image, and you can work through this one by selecting. You can get you this kind of selections in there, and you can find from the polygonals and use it can give you these selections in there. Okay, and also you can use the magnetic tool, magnetic eraser tools by selections the specific area. Then the next one is the magic on tools. Okay, so this is the tool we can find in there, the magic on tools. It will help you to select with the color combinations, and you can use by opening the image. And if I say the image of something, this image, or I can select this image on, and you can use this kind of tools and the magic tools. And if I just select this one, now you can see it's selected in the similar color range in there. Okay, then the next one we can use it and called the crop tools, and you can find this one into there. Like before that, you can find there is the crop tools, and also this one help you to resizing your photo. The crop tools and is not just for your sizing the canvas, and you can also use your the content error, or it can help you to automatically use or make it in here the fill, like by selecting here, and it can help you to crop and also fill your extra places. Okay, and also now we can move, and there is several tools like you can use for removing backgrounds by using the selection tools, and it will also help you to remove the backgrounds. Okay, so and there you have it, folks. This is comprehension guide to mastering the tools of Photoshop. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and that is important to take your design skill to the next level. So thank you for turning, and happy ending.